Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into OneDrive, so you're using the right account. Make sure your email appears top right. Next, find the file, use search or recent to save time, and open its folder. Once located, decide why you're sharing. Do you want others to view, edit, or only access by invitation? This choice determines link settings and security. Now right-click the file or select it and click Share to reveal the sharing options and controls you'll use next. Once you click Share, pick the link type to control scope. Anyone gives broad access, specific people restricts it to named recipients. Then set permissions, toggle Allow editing if collaborators should change the file, or block download when you want view-only security. If available, set an expiration date or password for extra control. After configuring, either paste emails directly and add a message, or copy the generated link. Make sure to finish by confirming recipients can open the file. Ask them to test or check the file's access log and version history for activity. If someone needs different rights, select the file and choose Manage Access to change, revoke, or set expiration on existing links. If recipients report problems, try simple fixes first. Clear browser cache, sign out and sign back in, or reissue a new specific people link. If a shared link fails, revoke it and create a fresh link to eliminate stale permission tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.